Today we'll learn how to create a column from an example. With this feature, you can clean up your reports and make them informative and digestible. It's one of my favorite features inside the Power Query editor. So, let's dive in. Excel already has the flash fill feature that automatically fills your data when it senses a pattern. If you want to learn 6 ways to use flash fill, you can check out my video here. While it's fast and easy, the rules of flash fill employees aren't explicitly stated, adding a layer of uncertainty when applied to new data sources. In this video, we'll take a look at the Power Queries column from example. While not quite as quick and accessible as flash fill, it distinguishes itself by generating explicit transformation rules. This feature becomes particularly useful in repetitive data preparation and cleaning tasks. Power Query Editor uses machine learning to comprehend the logic behind the examples provided by the user, making it a practical application of AI in everyday data manipulation tasks. To follow along, open this Excel file. I have a link in the description so you can download the same file and follow along with me. This data consists of a list of companies categorized by their respective industries. My goal is to slightly recode these categories. For example, I want to change technology to tech, consumer discretionary to consumer, and so forth. Importantly, I want to do this in a way that if I add or change companies in the list, everything still works. Let's do this together. Navigate to Power Query via Data. Get transform data from table/range. Select the industry column. Now navigate to Add Column, Column from Examples, from Selection. We're focusing only on the industry column, excluding the company name. A new column, Column 1, appears. Start typing in the column much like you would with flash fill. To get started, change technology to tech. Power Query auto-fills the rest based on patterns detected in the input. Next, edit specific entries. Change the third to consumer and the fourth to healthcare. Then shorten consumer staples to consumer. Examine the changes. They should be accurate. With tech replacing all technology instances and consumer consolidating its 2 respective categories. Power Query created these recoding rules on its own, but you can review or modify them. Click OK. Then the gear wheel icon and the added conditional column step of the Applied Steps menu. Here you can adjust the transformation rules as necessary. Rename it to Industry Recode. To exclude the original industry column from the query, right-click it and select Remove. Choose Close and Load to view the results into the workbook. Adding a new company to the source table and refreshing this one updates the recoded column automatically. There you have it. Although Power Query's column from example feature is relatively complex, it can be reused and edited. Flash fill, on the other hand, is intuitive and offers instant suggestions for streamlined data handling while being difficult to reuse. Business users spend up to 80% of their time on data preparation, which delays the work of analysis and decision-making. Several challenges contribute to this situation, and Power Query helps address many of them. I do have a Power Query and DAX course that takes you from beginner all the way to ninja level. Thank you very much for watching all the way to the end, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.